Hi children, a very good morning to all. In previous class, we have discussed about the parts of a computer. We are having different parts of a computer, that is monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, and we have seen additional parts of a computer, that is speakers and printer. Let us start our new lesson, that is third lesson, Lesson 3, Healthy Computer Practices. When you enter into the lab, so you should follow some rules. So when you enter into the lab, so you should sit silent. Uh, you should sit in one place. Do not roam in the lab. So we'll see now each and everything. So while using computers, we should remember these following things. So first one is be safe, be gentle, keep it clean, keep a correct posture, share equally. So open your textbook and see the page number 28. So we'll see each and every things in this class. So first one, be safe. So when you enter into the lab, so you have to take care about the all the parts of the computer system. When you sit in front of the computer, so you should sit straight and do not roam here and there. Do not touch anything like keyboard, mouse, monitor. So you should sit straight. Do not bend. So this is the safe. So do not touch any wires in the lab. So first of all, ask the teacher every time you want to turn the computer on or off. If a wire has come out, ask your teacher put it back. So if wires are come uh, come out from the plugs, so you have to first of all you have to raise your hand and tell to the teacher. First you have to ask the teacher every time. So when you should on the computer, when you should off the computer, so you should ask first. If wires are come out of the plug, so you have to inform your teacher. Yes, see here, the picture is, she is telling to the sir, the mouse has came out of the wire came out of the plug, isn't it? So she is telling to the sir. You should also tell your teacher. Next, do not pull or play with any of the wires connected to the CPU. So you do not touch anything in front of your computer. So you see the picture. She is pulling all the wires which is connected to the CPU. So you do not pull anything, you do not touch anything, wires in front of the computer. So you should sit straight in front of the computer. So do not pull or play with any of the wires, so it will affect you, isn't it? Yes. Next, coming to the next picture. Do not put your fingers into any slots. Any slots is nothing but in CPU we are having different slots. In backside here you can see different slots like this. So these are the some slots which is present backside of the CPU. So you do not put your fingers backside. So keep you have to sit calm when if you have any doubts, you can ask your teacher. If any wires come out from the plug, you can tell your teacher. So you do not do anything in the lab. Next, be gentle. Suppose if you're pressing the keyboard, so keyboard will lost. If you click the mouse continuously, it will damage the mouse. So you do not do like that. So gently pressing of each key is enough. A computer is a delicate machine. So it is a very delicate computer, is a very delicate. So here you can see the picture. So do not pull the parts away from the computer. So you do not pull any parts of the computer. So you have to, if you enter into the lab, so you should sit calmly. So if you have any doubts, you can ask, but you do not pull or any you do not press any keys on the keyboard. So do not bang is nothing but uh, pressing long the keyboard. Do not bang hard on the keyboard. So here you can see the picture how he is pressing the keyboard. So you do not do like that. Next, keep it clean. So you should keep it clean. So when you enter into the lab, so uh, take one cloth and clean the each and every student have do this. So clean the monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, and everything. So you should take care of your own computer, how you will use in your house. So like that only you have to use computers in schools also. So keep the computer and its nearby area clean. So you should clean the table also, and you should clean monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse, everything which is present on the table. So you have to clean the table also. Next, cover the computer when it is not in use. So if computer is not in use, so neatly cover the monitor with some cover, isn't it? So you should cover each and everything. If it is notable, uh, keep keep the cloth on the monitor. Next, do not drink or eat near the computer. So it will if you will drink near the computer, if water is poured, so it will damage to our systems only. So you should do not eat or drink near the computer. Next, fourth one, keep a correct posture. So you should sit straight. You do not bend here and there. So like this, this is the picture which is shown in your textbook. See here, keep your chair a proper height. So if computer is high, so you should take the chair medium. So like that you take the you have to keep your chair in a proper height. Next, keep proper distance from the monitor. So you should keep proper distance. If you will see continuously, you will get the sight. So immediately you will keep specs. So you should do not do like that. So you have to maintain a distance between the you and the monitor. Next, do not press your fingers on the mouse for a long time. So if you will press long time, so like this you can see here he is pressing long press. So you do not press your fingers on the mouse for a long time. It will damage the mouse, isn't it? Yes. Next, fifth one, share equally. So if computers are not available more, so if your work has completed, give to your friend at the time. Take turns in using the keyboard and mouse. Make room for your classmates while they are using computers. See, take turns in using the keyboard and mouse. So you have, if many of the computers is not available, so if your work is completed, next give to your friend. If he completed, he will give to the other friend. So like that, you have to share in equally. So they have to get the time, isn't it? Yes. So do not disturb others by playing loud sound. So you do not keep the loud sound in the labs. So it will damage to our ears only. Next, these are the healthy practices. So so This is the first one is right posters. This is the wrong posters. See in your textbook. It is available in your textbook. First one, keep it clean. So we have seen all this. So share equally. Sit correct poster. Next, break and exercise. Take regular breaks. Take exercise to keep fit. So if you will sit on the computer, so you should take some break. You have to sit. If you will sit more than hours, you will get headache or back pain like that. So you if you take break, it will take relax to us. So you do not drink, so you do not disturb others. Next, do not use the computer in an improper way. So here you can see she is standing and she is doing the work, so you do not do like that. Next, here, do not use the computer for more hours. So you have to sit only half an hour in front of the computer, because your children know. So you do not sit many hours in front of the computer. So next, the by using phone, here you can see, be safe. Ask an adult to adjust the brightness of the device to keep the eyes safe. So if you keep less less brightness, it will affect your eyes. If you keep more brightness, it will save to our eyes. Next, be gentle. When your wash your hands before using the touch screen. So uh, all will touch the screen, your friends, your mom, your brother, your sister. So you have to wash your hands and you have to touch the phone. Maintain a correct posture. So you do not keep your phone in front of your eyes like this. So you do not keep the so you have to keep the correct posture. So keep your back straight and your mobile device at a healthy distance for your eyes. So share equally. So your phone, if in your house it is available only one phone, so you should share everyone. So here you can see, let other family members or friends use the devices. So do not use mobile phones at petrol bunk. So in in petrol bunk, you do not use phone because it will blast. So do not damage the device by dropping it on the floor. So you do not drop the device on the floor because it will damage the phone. So you do not bend like this. So this is the correct posture, this is the wrong posture. So do not keep the device only to yourself, you have to share others also. Next, so this is the correct posture and incorrect posture. Take these measures to maintain a correct posture while working on a computer. Sit on a comfortable chair facing to the computer. So you should sit like this. So you should sit comfortable. Next, the screen should be at least 8 to 24 inches away from your eyes. Its position and angle should not cause any glare. Keep your shoulders and neck relaxed. So, see here she is sitting, how she sat and how she stand, and she is doing work. So, you should not do like that. Keep your shoulders and neck relaxed. Keep your back straight and make sure you have lower back support. So, you should keep straight. So, you do not get any health issues. So keep your wrist straight while typing. So do not bend. So your wrist has to straight. You do not bend the wrist. Next, keep your thighs parallel to the floor. So here she sat thighs. So she sat to the computer. Keep your feet flat on the floor. If your feet cannot reach the floor, use a footrest. So if your foot is not on the floor, so you can take your support and use a footrest. uh, there should be enough room between the desk and your legs. So in there should be enough room. So you between the desk and your legs there is a space between in that. So use your whole arm and not just your wrist while moving the mouse. Next, double tap. So we should take these safety measures while using mobile devices. So we have seen in healthy practices picture. So be safe. Do not pull the wire of the charger when a device is plugged into the electric socket. So you do not remove the wires when it is charging. So do not use mobile phones at a petrol bunk also, because it is very dangerous. If you will talk in the petrol bunk, it will blast the phone. So ask an adult to adjust the brightness of the device to keep the eyesight safe. So if you keep low brightness, it will affect your eyes and you will get the sight also. Be gentle, be careful. When you use a mobile device, you may damage the device by dropping it on the floor. So be careful when you are using the mobile phone. So it is very cost no better. So you have to use safe. Next, wash your hands before using the touch screen. Wipe the screen with a soft cloth or paper napkin after each use. So after you will use, take some paper and clean it the screen neatly or with napkin or with cloth. So maintain a correct posture. So do not bend and see the phone. So stand straight and see the phone, and take a distance between your mobile and your eyes. Share equally. Let other family members and friends use the mobile. So these are the rules when you are enter into the lab, computer lab. Enter and exit quietly. No food or drink. Don't spread germs. Organize before leaving area. Next, print only with permission. Exit inappropriate sites or images. So if you open in the Google any other site, so you should exit. No running in the lab. Respect your teacher and classmates. Never give out personal information. If you give personal information, your teacher will don't know about that if you give personal information. So you do not give any personal information to the computers. Yes children, have you understood this? Thank you children. We'll see in the